Here is the inside of the Qualstar 1260 tape drive. It looks bigger than the Qualstar 1052. The cabinet's deeper, and it has two fans mounted on it. Very interesting. So there's a couple boards here. This board looks like a power supply filter board, and that's the power transformer. And then this looks like a controller board. Of some kind. And then this looks like the 9 cards that write the 9 tracks and read the 9 tracks. And they're labeled. Channel 4, Channel 6, Channel 0, Channel 1, Channel 2, Channel 5, Channel 7, Channel 3. So those are your 8 data channels, and then Channel P must be the parity channel. So I assume that each of these cards can read and write data onto the magnetic heads. And then there's a little wheel here, which is one of the wheels that is turned by the passing tape. This is probably to identify the linear position of the tape as it's moving back and forth. Looks like some kind of optical counting wheel. The other wheel is just a dummy, which I see sitting there. Now the motors must be very small pancake motors, because I certainly don't see them here. They're under the boards. I'd like to get a mirror and look in there. There's a box here called configuration. Not sure what that is. And there are a lot of EPROMs on the board. One there, 2 there, 2 more here, 2 more here. My goodness, if anything ever went wrong with the hardware, I don't know what I'd do. So this was supposedly a refurbished and tested drive, so I'll have to take their word at it for now. And this cable is the 62-pin Pertec type connector, and the end of this cable comes into that access door and then splits into 2 50-pin connectors. One on this board that drives the 9 channels, and one on this board which seems to be some kind of controller board of some kind. So this end then would have to go to the IBM PC with a Computer Logix PCTD16 controller card and driver software, and that should drive the tape drive. So we shall see. But boy, this is a very heavy unit. Huge. I'm going to put it together and then we'll look at the outside.